Melissa here, bringing you more Disney VIP magic. And as promised in my last video, the Disney Cruise Line Magic Bands have arrived and we are going to unbox them. I'm going on the Disney Wish for a preview cruise of the Disney Cruise Line Magic Bands. It will be my first Pearl sailing. It will be featuring my Magic Band. I'm so excited to be one of the first to check it out. So let's unbox the Magic Bands today. And for your next Disney vacation, contact Melissa VIP Magic. You can reach me at melissa@crazyimaginationtravel.com. And you don't want to miss a thing on your Disney cruise. You want to book with a Disney expert, so that's me. There's no additional charge to book with a Disney travel professional. I'm Pearl. I have more than 27 Disney Cruise Line sailings under my belt, and I would love to serve your family. So let's go and unbox the new Magic Bands. It's time to open up the Disney Cruise Line Magic Bands. Now, there's 3 exclusive Disney Cruise Line Magic Bands. I've ordered 2 of those. You can use the ones from Walt Disney World, but I recommend getting the exclusive cruise line. You ready? Here they are. Woohoo! Disney Cruise Line, where magic meets the sea. Here's mine, Melissa, Mickey, and Jeffrey, and we've got the Disney Cruise Line logo. I love it. Let's see what's inside the box. So you take this out, and there's our lovely bands. Awesome. So we can take those out here and try them on. This one's mine. I'm really excited to see this. Oh my goodness. Hooray, hooray. Look at that. So cute. I love the cruise ship. I'm going to have so much fun wearing this on the cruise next week and being one of the first to try it out. Now, your Magic Band is going to be similar to what you're used to in the park. So here it is. So it's you're going to start using it at check-in. So check it in. We're not going to be worried about QR codes anymore. You just scan your band. To get in your stateroom, scan your band. If you're in Mickey's main sale or one of our featured gift shops, scan your band and it's going to go directly, the charge will go directly to your stateroom. That's going to be so easy and so convenient. These little guys are waterproof, so that is good. And it looks to me like they're going to light up. So when we watch the Pirates fireworks show next week, and also our 25th anniversary nighttime spectacular, we're going to watch these light up. Now, to get them to light up, we're going to need to charge them. So let's see about that. So we mentioned charging. So here's your charging port. It's a USB port. So let's open this up and see about charging it. I do recommend that you charge them before you leave your home for sure, so you'll be ready for that when you get there. And we have 2 of these. Let's charge my husband Scott's. So I've got Scott's band here, and we're going to plug in our brick, and then our USB cord is going to go in there, and then we're going to line up the 2 dots here with the 2 dots on our charger, and whoop, let's see. And you hear it. Oh, look at that, it's so pretty. Oh my goodness. So it's already charging and lighting up, and then we'll let this sit for a little while so it will be ready, Freddy, when we board the ship next week. How exciting. Don't forget, like and subscribe. Hit the notification button to follow all my Disney travels around the world. I love Adventures by Disney, Disneyland, Disneyland Paris, Walt Disney World, and Disney Cruise Line, and Nat Geo now too. So book with a Disney expert so you don't miss a thing. Contact Melissa VIP Magic, and you can find me at melissa@crazyimaginationtravel.com. Can't wait to see you on the ship, and I love when my fans say hello. Don't hesitate. Come up, walk up, say hello, and have a magical cruise.